Welcome to the Future Tech Explorations channel. Imagine this. You board a sleek, futuristic aircraft designed with the latest advancements in aviation technology. The windows are large, offering panoramic views that stretch as far as the eye can see, immersing you in the journey. You settle into your spacious seat, which is designed for maximum comfort, with ample legroom and state-of-the-art amenities. Then, with barely a whisper, you are soaring through the sky at supersonic speed, cutting travel time in half and making the world feel smaller and more connected. This isn't a scene from a science fiction movie. It's a glimpse into the near future of air travel. It's the future of supersonic travel, and it's closer than you might think. Imagine flying from New York to London in just over 3 hours. Companies like Boom Supersonic and Ariane are leading the charge, developing cutting-edge jets that promise to revolutionize air travel as we know it. These companies are not just dreaming, they are actively working on making this a reality. These aren't just pie-in-the-sky concepts. Engineers and designers are meticulously crafting every detail, from the aerodynamics to the materials used. These companies are building real aircraft with innovative technologies that push the boundaries of what's possible in aviation. They are tackling the challenges that grounded supersonic travel in the past, from sonic booms to fuel efficiency. New materials and designs are being tested to ensure these jets are not only fast, but also environmentally friendly. The race is on to bring back supersonic flight, and the future of air travel is looking faster than ever. With each passing day, we are getting closer to a new era where supersonic travel is not just a luxury for the few, but a common mode of transportation for many. To understand the future of supersonic travel, we need to revisit its past. The story of the Concorde is one of ambition, innovation, and ultimately, a bittersweet farewell. The Concorde, a technological marvel of its time, was the first supersonic passenger jet. It represented the pinnacle of aviation engineering, a joint venture between British and French aerospace companies. It made its maiden flight in 1969 and began commercial service in 1976. The world watched in awe as this sleek, needle-nosed aircraft took to the skies, promising to revolutionize air travel. The Concorde could cross the Atlantic in just over 3 hours, reaching speeds of up to Mach 2.04. This meant passengers could have breakfast in London and lunch in New York, a feat unimaginable before its time. That's twice the speed of sound. The Concorde was not just fast, it was a symbol of luxury and exclusivity, catering to the elite who could afford its steep ticket prices. However, the Concorde faced several challenges. Its operation was a costly affair, requiring extensive maintenance and specialized infrastructure. It was expensive to operate, had limited passenger capacity, and was noisy. The aircraft's design allowed for only about 100 passengers, making it less economically viable compared to larger subsonic jets. The sonic boom it created restricted it from flying over land at supersonic speeds. This meant it could only achieve its full potential over oceans, limiting its routes and flexibility. After a tragic accident in 2000 and declining passenger numbers, the Concorde was retired in 2003. Its final flight marked the end of an era, leaving behind a legacy of what was possible and a dream for the future of supersonic travel. Today, a new generation of innovators is determined to bring back supersonic air travel. Boom Supersonic, a Colorado-based company, is at the forefront of this movement. Their vision is to make the world dramatically more accessible with their supersonic airliner, Overture. Boom Supersonic believes that faster travel fosters greater human connection. Their goal is to make the world more accessible by reducing travel times. Imagine flying from New York to London in just 3 hours and 15 minutes. That's the promise of Overture. Overture's design is a marvel of engineering. It features a sleek aerodynamic fuselage designed to minimize drag. The aircraft's 4 powerful engines are strategically placed to reduce noise and increase fuel efficiency. The delta wing configuration provides stability at supersonic speeds. One of Overture's key innovations is its focus on sustainability. Boom Supersonic is committed to making Overture the first large commercial aircraft to be net zero carbon. It will achieve this by running on 100% sustainable aviation fuel. Section 5 Ariane AS-2, a legacy of speed. Another major player in the supersonic race is Ariane Supersonic. Although Ariane ceased operations in 2021, their contributions to supersonic technology are significant. The Ariane AS-2 was designed to be a luxurious supersonic business jet capable of carrying up to 12 passengers. The AS-2 was designed to cruise at speeds of up to Mach 1.4, which is 1.4 times the speed of sound. This would have made it possible to fly from New York to London in approximately 4.5 hours, significantly faster than conventional business jets. Section 6. Powering the future engines and efficiency. Both Boom and Ariane have placed a strong emphasis on developing engines that are both powerful and fuel efficient. Traditional jet engines are not designed for sustained supersonic flight. These new supersonic jets require advanced engine technology. These next-generation engines are designed to be more fuel efficient than their predecessors. They also produce fewer emissions, addressing one of the major concerns about supersonic travel. The development of sustainable aviation fuels will further reduce the environmental impact of these aircraft. Section 7. Quieter Skies, Addressing Sonic Booms. In this section, we delve into the innovative efforts being made to tackle one of the most significant hurdles in supersonic travel. One of the biggest challenges facing supersonic travel is the sonic boom. This phenomenon has long been a barrier to the widespread adoption of faster-than-sound travel. A sonic boom is a loud sound produced by an object traveling through the air faster than the speed of sound. When an aircraft exceeds this speed, it creates shock waves that merge to form a powerful sound wave. It can be disruptive and startling, which is why supersonic flight over land is currently prohibited in many countries. The noise can cause disturbances to both people and wildlife, making it a significant environmental concern. Both Boom and Ariane have invested heavily in technologies to mitigate sonic booms. These companies are at the forefront of developing quieter supersonic jets, aiming to revolutionize air travel. Boom's Overture, for example, is being designed to minimize the noise generated by the shock waves created at supersonic speeds. The aircraft's design incorporates advanced aerodynamics and materials to reduce the intensity of the sonic boom. The goal is to make the sonic boom barely perceptible, more like a distant thump than a loud crack. If successful, this could pave the way for the return of commercial supersonic flights over land, making long-distance travel faster and more efficient. Researchers are also exploring other innovative solutions, such as altering flight paths and using new materials to further reduce the impact of sonic booms. The future of supersonic travel looks promising, with quieter skies on the horizon. As technology advances, the dream of supersonic travel without the disruptive noise of sonic booms is becoming a reality. The efforts of companies like Boom and Ariane are bringing us closer to a new era of aviation. Section 8. Environmental Responsibility, Balancing Speed and Sustainability. The environmental impact of aviation is a major concern. Supersonic jets, with their higher speeds, have the potential to consume more fuel and produce more emissions than conventional aircraft. However, the industry is acutely aware of these concerns. Sustainability is a core principle for companies like Boom Supersonic. They are committed to designing aircraft that are not only fast, but also environmentally responsible. The use of sustainable aviation fuels, lightweight materials, and efficient engine technology are all key parts of this commitment. Section 9. Economic Viability, the Price of Progress. The development and operation of supersonic aircraft are expensive endeavors. The Concorde, for example, was notoriously costly, and those costs were reflected in its high ticket prices. Making supersonic travel commercially viable will require finding ways to make it more affordable. Boom. Supersonic aims to make supersonic travel more accessible to a wider range of passengers. By focusing on fuel efficiency, reducing operating costs, and increasing passenger capacity, they believe that supersonic flights can become more competitive with business class fares on conventional flights. Section 10. The future is closer than you think. The return of supersonic travel is no longer a question of if, but when. With companies like Boom Supersonic making significant strides in technology, design, and sustainability, the future of air travel is looking faster than ever. Boom's Overture is slated to roll out in 2026, with test flights beginning soon after. If all goes according to plan, we could see the first commercial supersonic flights by the end of this decade. Section 11. Embracing the supersonic revolution. The return of supersonic travel is a testament to human ingenuity and our desire to push the boundaries of what's possible. It promises a future where the world feels smaller, travel times are shorter, and connections are made faster. Stay tuned, because the supersonic revolution is about to take flight. The future of air travel is about to get a whole lot faster. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more cool videos.